Hello viewers, in this video I shall tell you how you can attend the live classes on this channel, Sumita Roy's English Classroom. Right from the day when I started the channel last July in 2024, many have requested for live sessions. So I have started live classes recently. The live class which is there on 5th of October is an open live class. Everyone can attend this. If you are a member of the channel, if you're not a member also but you've subscribed, even if you haven't subscribed, you can attend this live class. The advantage of the live class is that you can interact with me directly, which is what many of you have been asking for. So please attend the live class. I will tell you how to do it. The special members of the channel have a series of live classes. I have announced 45 live classes for them, of which we have completed 3. The next live class for special members is on the 7th of October. If you are interested in becoming a special member, then you can attend that live class because it is a structured course of learning good English, perfect English, English suitable for all purposes. But on 5th, the session which we have is a session of helping you speak better. Because most of you would like to speak English fluently, speak English correctly and confidently. Many of you have been asking me, how should we attend the live class? Now let me tell you one by one the points. When you go to the home page of the channel, if you want to know what is the home page of the channel, go to the previous video where I have posted where I have told you how to watch a live class after it is made public. Not a live class live, but recorded live class. In that video you will find there is a screen where I have shown you which is the home page of the channel. Now when you go to the home page of the channel, you have next to the word home, you have videos. All the videos, if you click that, you will find all the 300 videos which are uploaded. Then you find there is podcast. You will find many podcasts. Then you'll find playlist. Again, if you go there, you will see that there are many topics for playlists. Next, you go to the column which says live. And there the recorded live classes are available. But when the live class is not over, it is going to happen on 5th of October. Then you go to posts. Post is right at the end. In that straight line of the home page, you will find last topic is posts. You click on the post. You will immediately know what is the next live class. I've already announced to you 5th of October. But this video might be watched after a year. Then that will not be enough. You have to see the date on which I'm talking and then you will be able to know which year. 5th October 2025 is what I'm talking about. Special session, 7th October 2025 session, only for special members of the channel. Now, how will you get the post? On the home page, you will find there is a small bell. Immediately after the topic of the video, you will find a small sign which is a bell. You know, it looks like a bell. You press that. That is the notification. When you subscribe and you press the notification, then whenever I post something, whether it is a video or it is a post about a live session, you will immediately get notified on your mobile. It will tell you that a new post has come or a new video has come. So always, as soon as you subscribe, please press the notification. We have 90 plus thousand subscribers, but many hundreds of you don't know how to join the live session. You're interested, but you don't know how to join. So press that bell icon, press that bell symbol, and you will get notification. Now already the notification for the 5th October session is there in the column of the posts. You can go there. You will find a link is given in that. A day or two before the live session, the link is already there. But the link will not work till the time which is mentioned for the live session. I have mentioned the time as 7:30 Indian Standard Time. 7:30 p.m. that is evening 7:30 Indian Standard Time. Now, can others watch? Yes. People from all over the world who are asking, can we watch? Yes, you can watch, but you must know the time conversion. How will you know this? You will know the time conversion if you go to your clock in your mobile and press the second one, that is world clock. In world clock, choose New Delhi. New Delhi is Indian Standard Time. Then it will show you, if you say New Delhi 7:30 p.m., it will show you what is the local time in the place where you are. Then you can log in at that time. You will be with me in the live session. Otherwise, you have to watch the session in a recorded form when it comes to you in the recorded form. But I want more and more of you to come on live. The reason is because live is much more interactive. You can send messages, and I would like you to think of questions which you want to ask. You have problems of speaking, so in the chat, you tell me what is your problem, and I will answer those things immediately. You don't have to wait for an answer. If the questions are relevant to speaking, you will get answers. If they are something else like vocabulary or grammar, I will tell you in the live session, in the live class, which video you should watch in order to learn that. Because videos on those might already be there on the channel. So first thing today you have to do, as soon as you watch this video, is press the notification, which is a bell symbol. The symbol of a bell, ringing sound. So that bell you press, get the notification. Then if you've already been notified, go to the post. Check the post and see the link. Last live class which we had for open to everybody, there somebody asked at about 7:50, maybe 5 minutes before the session. I don't remember the time, whether it was 8 or 7:30 in the evening. How to join? I'm here, but how to join? You don't have to do anything. The moment I click the button live, you all join automatically. All you have to do is to keep that link clicked. Unless you click on that link, you cannot join. Now, since I said you need to participate in the live chat, I can also tell you that you get some crown, they give you a crown, first, second, third. Those who send many messages, those who interact, and not only interact in words, but there are emojis also. You can like it, or you can say that this is useful. You can ask questions. You can send many comments. The first 3 people who send the maximum number of comments. Last time we had more than 100 people in the open session, and I remember that some of them got the points where they were the first 3 who had sent the maximum number of comments. So don't hesitate to write your comments. Remember, if you make mistakes in writing the comment, then I can immediately correct you, and that will benefit you in your speaking. Now, when we come to the live sessions for special members have already had 3 live sessions plus 1 introductory session. So 4 are over. The 5th session is on 7th of October 2025. Whereas for everybody, this is the 2nd live session. I will try to do many more live sessions for the special members, because I have identified a syllabus for them, a structured course for them. Many of you said, we want a course. So somebody said, take a course for 90 days. Now I'm not taking a course for 90 days. I have structured a 45-hour course. And these 45-hour courses will go on for the next few months. It will not be over in a minute, because more than 4 live sessions per month I cannot do for the special members. I will try to do some live sessions for everybody else also, because many of you say that you cannot become members. That's fine. But if you can, you must do, so that you participate in the channel's growth as you learn good English. The special members are very appreciative. All the sessions we have had, they have improved themselves hugely. So first, attend the open session. Then if you feel that the open session has helped you, then you can think of becoming members. There are some people who have become special members on day 1 when they saw the channel. That also is wonderful. So all of you are here to learn English. My job is to help you, more than teaching you, because you have to practice. I cannot teach you to become perfect, but I can tell you how to become good. I can help you to become good. But you have to follow these procedures. So anybody from any part of the world can watch the open sessions. All of you who have subscribed should press the notification so that you know when there is a live session. I remember 1 or 2 special members saying later that I missed the live session. And many, dozens and dozens of people saying after the open session that we missed your session, how to attend your session. Therefore, I have made this video. To attend a session, go to the posts, check the posts. Whenever a post comes, see if it is an open session, then attend it. See if it is a special member session, then become a special member to attend it. In this way, if we have more and more people interacting, we build up a community where each of you is learning from the others. If one person asks a question and I answer it, all the 150 get the answer. You might have the question in your mind you never asked, but somebody has asked, you are benefited. Then you have something which you want to say. Like we are doing vocabulary for special members. And the wonderful words which the special members gave helped all the others to learn excellent vocabulary. It gave practice to those who were mentioning the words, and it gave practice to the others who did not know these words. That way we build a strong community. We build a team. In many videos I have told you that you and I are a team now. Without your help, I cannot teach you English. I'm trying to help all of you to learn English. So let us meet on 2 consecutive live sessions this month. First one open to everybody on 5th of October, and the next one on 7th of October, that is for special members only. I look forward to seeing all of you, and I want lots and lots of questions, lots of interaction from all of you. Remember, just attending silently is no use for a live session. Then you can watch a video. Why should you come to the live session? A live session is for your interaction, for your live chat, not because you want to silently listen to what I'm saying. Last time in the open session, I told you that I will tell you about the festival we were celebrating at that time, Navratri. And then I said, each one of you think of your favorite festival, talk about it for a week or so till we have the next live session. So tomorrow, day after tomorrow when we meet, everybody can tell me that this is what we practiced. This is how much we practiced. In this way, experience sharing is a wonderful way of learning. So please watch all the live sessions live. I will be very happy to interact with all of you, and your questions will form the basis of whatever I try to teach you. All the best and thank you.